Oxford in the 1830s felt like a faith slowly fading away. One man, John Keble's fiery words began to stir the hearts of the weary faithful.
England appears peaceful, but beneath the surface, the Church is in crisis. Some would make her merely another department of the state. Others would pull her toward Rome. Still others would empty her of sacramental life altogether. Into this uncertainty rises a quiet country priest. His name is John Keble. His sermon will ignite one of the greatest renewals in Anglican history.
A small group of friends gathered to reclaim their ancient heritage of the ancient Church. They discovered a golden thread connecting them to the early apostles, perpetuate the faith, order, worship, and witness of Western Catholicism as it existed in the ancient Church, that were conveniently sidelined by the Continental Reformation. But standing for tradition brought a storm of heavy public criticism. Through this struggle, the true beauty of holiness finally returned. Once our churches were plain, now they proclaim heaven. The altar faces east, the cross stands before us. The Christian year shapes our lives. Vestments teach theology without speaking. What we believe is how we pray, is how we live for the greater glory of God. Today, that sacred flame continues to burn bright in hearts everywhere. Visit www.holycatholicanglican.org.